Sustainability Karma, a podcast series on sustainable development, sustainability, and ESG, or environmental, social, and governance, on AIR FM Rainbow Delhi 102.6.
Hello and welcome to a new episode of Sustainability Karma. I'm your host Naina Gautam, and today you are listening to a special radio program on the first Yuva Sustainability Conference 2025, held recently in the vibrant city of Jaipur. Over the next few minutes, I'll take you through some of the most powerful voices that came alive at the unique gathering of youth leaders and sustainability champions. Let's begin with someone whose work has touched rivers, lives, and imaginations across India. Rajendra Singh, founder chairman of Tarun Bharat Sangh, better known to many as the Waterman of India, a Magsaysay Award and Stockholm Water Prize winner.
भारत के युवाओं को और दुनिया के युवाओं को हमेशा यही कहता हूँ कि ये दुनिया अब तुम्हारी है। तुम इस पानी को, प्रकृति को प्यार करो, सहेज के रखो। तुम इसको प्यार करोगे, सहेज के रखोगे, तो ये तुम्हें सहेज के रखेगी.
That was Rajendra Singh, reminding us of how deeply storytelling and water conservation are linked in India's grassroots journey. This landmark event, titled Sustainability Storytelling for Green India, a movement to empower youth, was held under the aegis of the national initiative Voices of Bharat Yuva for Sustainability, which was launched earlier this year on World Environment Day by Rajasthan Chief Minister Shri Bhajan Lal Sharma. I am pleased to launch Voices of Bharat Yuva for Sustainability, a nationwide initiative to build the storytelling capacity of students and inspire environmental action. He also stressed the need for innovative youth-led platforms to support India's environmental goals. This initiative aligns with India's broader climate commitments, Mission Life, the Panchamrit Goals, Net Zero, and the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. The initiative has also got endorsement from Rajasthan's key ministers, Shri Sanjay Sharma, Minister of Forest, Environment and Climate Change, Independent Charge, who released the official newsletter, and Dr. Manju Bagmar, Minister for Women and Child Development, who released the official poster. Shri Sanjay Sharma said, "Let's empower young changemakers and build a greener India together." Dr. Manju Bagmar emphasized our dadas, dadis, nanas and nanis. They are living libraries. Their stories of simplicity, village life and harmony with nature hold the power to reconnect our youth with environmental values. We also heard important insights from across industry and civil society. Here's a quick set of bites from some of our speakers. Let's start with Pratyush Thakur, India Country Head, Blue Leaf Energy.
Youth is a very important part of the picture, but now what we're doing is that we're talking to public at large, and youth is very, very important there.
Yuva Sustainability Conclave, which is happening first time in the country. So it has been a great move and a brave move by Sustainability Karma.
That was K. Ganesh, Director, Sustainability and Corporate Affairs, Bisleri International. And finally, Piru Dhawan, Head of Global Communication at Uflex Limited, said,
"To have a nationwide movement where different corporations come together will only increase the impact.
If you care about our planet, if you believe in the power of stories, and if you want to be part of real change, if you're 18 to 29, join the Voices of Bharat Yuva for Sustainability movement. Register for sustainability internship at yuvaforsustainability.com. Let your voice rise, let your story ripple. This is Naina Gautam signing off for Sustainability Karma.
We hope you like this program. This program is also live streamed on All India Radio. We look forward to your feedback on our WhatsApp number 9818120554. For participation in this program, write to us at sustainability.karma@gmail.com. Looking forward to meet you again at the same time next week with a new episode and a new guest. Till then, goodbye from all of us. Sustainability Karma, a podcast series on sustainable development, sustainability, and ESG.